Hey guys, Marion the Barbarian here. I did not get a face shave yesterday. I did the head shave, went and picked up some food, did Real Talk, did the Real Talk after show after I did my Kind Master production, and while I was exporting that, phone died on me again, got out of Lather and Blade group and popped on, and degenerates were there. Then I had to upload and do some other stuff, and yeah, we didn't get a shave in last night, guys. So all we got was a head shave yesterday. So we got like 48 hours or so of growth. Face still hasn't healed up from whatever the frick that it was. All right. So we're using the Semogue Excelsior. What is this? The 830 or something? 820? I don't know. I'll try to link it below, and you'll see then. If you look at the little drop down where I put links and descriptions of what the items are. And the soap is in our Thirsty Badger bowl, and it is fresh vetiver. I got this sample from Jeremy Tyler. It's WSP's Rustic Vegan, and it actually did really nice whipping up in a bowl. We're going to use Star Jelly today, switch up the Balm, and I want to smell like the 90s tonight. I had a rough day, man, so Nautica competition it is. I used to get frag burn back in the day with that. We'll see if I do it again. We're going to introduce all the products. Got this back from John Shaves the other day, and I haven't used it in a while. I haven't used a razor this big in quite some time. This will be second use on a Max Sprecher Edge. And yeah, I stropped it up, and we're going to give it a go. Give it a whirl. Give it a whirly bird. Little whirly bird. Face a little like I like to do. Just in case this lather's a little dry, as I said last time, I didn't want to drown it. So, left it a little drier than normal. And guys, this is WSP week. Today is Saturday. Someone's birthday at WSP. So, little birdie named Jeremy Tyler told me. So, I'm glad he sent me this fresh vetiver. That's nice. I've never been like a big vetiver guy. I don't think I have a lot of vetiver scents. But this may get me getting some vetivers, I guess. I guess I'm a weirdo. I kind of always go for more complicated scents. Or at least I think they're more complicated. Or maybe I just like tobacco, you know? All right. I mean, if I was a soap maker, I'd probably have like 69 cents of tobacco, you know? Ooh, we hit the ear. I knew I did as soon as I did the toe, just... Nice edge, pretty comfortable, but look, I told you guys, no passing the Johan drop. So, I'll rehydrate on the next pass. Steve Walker pass here, switch to the other side. I can tell you, I opened that bad boy up. That's nice, guys. Did enjoy the edge. Quite sharp. Ooh! Man, it came in too steep there. I didn't even feel it, guys. Bad wrist turn there. Too much left behind. Get a little bit of water going on. I cannot believe believe I left the memory line. I swear I didn't even feel that, guys. I knew I came in too steep and I didn't even feel myself touch it. Hey, I could just shave like this. Is feeling good, guys. Residual slickness. So a little bit of water dipped in the tips as I'm painting it on. Do a little bit more hydration. I may bust out the alum. I can't believe I did a memory line. Get it real slick. And when I mean real slick, get it hydrated. Don't want anybody thinking I'm talking about slickness. Higher quality slickness. Heaven forbid. But anyways, it's good soap. It's good scent. It's not actually air bubbly, which is kind of nice. I feel like you get that with some vegans. My Katie Bubbles samples do that. But I was told those samples were a little old. So we don't know what formulation it was or how far back. Like this one I expect. That just pisses me off. Looks like I got a weeper back here too. Or Nick. Max Brecker Edge. That's what I'm being told. Pissing me off, guys. I'm just thinking about it. Like with the WEC, I get it. This just kind of makes me angry. Does anybody else get that? Makes you angry? Ooh, really got that cream back in the ear. Wipe it off, just kind of looking at my lines. Pisses me off. And the water was stinging in the cuts, so that's a lovely feeling. Sorry, I'm trying something new. There we go. Try to get that the best it could. Guys, I'm gonna have to go back to this again. Like, not happy with those memory lines whatsoever. Looks like I got something here, nicked here. Good God! Is this my first straight razor shave? Pisses me off. One more this way. Hold it like that. We're not going BBS, but I'm just trying to get a little bit closer. I might be coming in too steep because I haven't used a blade this big in quite some time, but sorry, working it out in my head why I had such a bad go around this one. So, pretty much 3 passes. 2 with some pickups, still covered about my entire face. Cream got on my toothbrush. It should have been in the drawer. Let me pause y'all. Alright guys, we used the alum. I was just thinking, maybe CDB uses his alum off camera so he can wince like a little girl. Just curious, because I sure did. I used that opportunity. So, Nautica competition. It's probably going to burn, guys. You know why? I counted 6 nicks. Creepers, weepers, memory lines, whatever you want to call them that came from this shave, including the stem ear thing. And, my opinion, it's not acceptable. Sorry, just trying to get the little bit of coagulated blood off where it was drying again. All right. Takes you back to the 90s, man. High school. Steal My Sunshine. Anybody gets that reference for that song, please comment below. I want to know. Lynn, Steal My Sunshine. Oh yeah, let the goodness soak in. That fresh vetiver was a nice scent, guys. I may be turned on to vetiver now. Really nice, actually. And you know what I forgot to do? Forgot to give the dome love. So we're gonna spell like, you know, 90s for sure. You know, wearing my American Eagle with my carpenter jeans. Yeah, y'all heard me. Maybe my cargo shorts, long sleeve shirt underneath the t-shirt. Yeah, welcome to the 90s. That's what it brings back. Guys, see you next time. What's tomorrow? Sunday? I'm doing a tag video tomorrow. DK's, he tagged the degenerates. Holy shit, did I hit something there? Is that 7? God dang it. All right, I gotta go. Keep getting more weepers popping up. I don't need witnesses to that. Y'all have a good one.